Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbot's YouTube channel. We bet you have come across the YouTube versus TikTok online war, which happened due to some feud between the content creators of both platforms. This paved in a way for Mitron TV app, which was grabbing the headlines for its Indian connection. Well, it seems that isn't the case. Let's find out in this video how. The famous online war between content creators from TikTok and YouTube was like a blowback to the former. With TikTok facing backlash from the Indian masses, a homegrown short video application dubbed Mitron TV app became the new resort. The app gained huge popularity within just a month of its launch, dethroning TikTok in India. But what was being marketed as the country's production is rather the development of Pakistan. The Mitron TV app was said to be developed by a student of IIT Roorkee and is being touted for its Indian roots. However, the app is now claimed to be rather a rebranded version of a Pakistani app dubbed TikTok. The source ad for this app is said to be developed by a company in our neighboring country. The app source code was bought legally, however, no difference was made for the final product. The Mitron TV app has gained all the popularity due to its Make in India status. If we speak about the numbers, then the Mitron TV app was downloaded over 5 million times at Google Play Store. It has received a 4.7 star rating. Within a short span of its launch, it saw a huge traffic. Creators have started flooding the platform with entertainment content. This might come as a shocker considering this app was being touted as an Indian product. Currently, no clarification on the same has been given by the developers of Mitron TV app.
That's all for now. For more technology related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.